Working with break and continue statements. In this lesson, we will learn about break and continue keywords. A break keyword is used to terminate the loop or exit from the switch case statement. It should not be used to escape from an if block. The keyword continue is used to restart the loop if the specific condition is true. The continue statement passes control to the next iteration of the nearest enclosing do, for, or while statement. Let's see the sample code which describes the break and continue keywords. Here, inside the main function, we initialize the variable I as 1. In the while loop, we check the condition as I is less than or equal to 10. If this is true, the printf function prints the value of the variable I, that is, 1. Then the I value will be incremented by 1. Here's another validation. If the I value is less than or equal to 5, the continue statement starts from the while loop with taking the value of I, that is, 2. Now the output value is 2. Again, the I value is incremented by 1, and now the I value becomes 3. Then the I value is checked whether it is less than or equal to 5. If it is true, the loop will start with 3 and print on the screen. Similarly, the loop will execute for 5 times. If the I value is greater than 5, the else part will execute. Here we used the break keyword, which breaks the execution. The rest of the statements in the body are ignored. If I is greater than 5, execution will get stopped by the break statement. Compile the code by pressing Alt F9. When it is completed, click on OK. Press Ctrl F9 to execute the code and see the output. There. I hope you're now familiar with the break and continue statements.